You know, we got the boy Tice.
Love it.
Ladies hit him up. As you can see, the guns are huge, like massive, like absolutely massive. And surf skills, might have to keep watching until you see, but that'll also draw him in. Basically just a lady magnet here, but yeah, welcome to the video.
Welcome to the video indeed.
Pumpkin!
See you later, buddy.
What the? No! Aiden.
What?
Where are we?
Yo, I want those.
I'm ready to like fucking like do something. Like. Come on.
Sponsored by Adidas.
Mm-hmm.
What? Oh, what the fuck? Tyson!
Don't skateboard. That's why you can't skateboard. Skateboarding should be illegal.
Damn it, I can't walk now.
Oh! What he does.
Oh yeah, you smell that soap.
Oh yeah.
Oh,
yeah.
yeah.
That's it right there. Yeah, yeah.
This is the one.
Oh.
Oh my gosh. That one smells bad.
Oh. I'm not gonna lie.
This one smells like.
Oh damn, bro.
Oh.
That one tastes like gum.
Oh, very nice.
Okay, so apparently we're going surfing in Missoula in the Clark Fork. We don't know how big it is. Neither if it even is a wave there.
10 feet tall. Tough time.
I believe in you, Liam Griffen.
Jeez. Took like 10 minutes. Put it on inside out for the first time. This is the right side, I think. We got it, y'all.
Why are you so strong? What are we doing, Jude?
Couldn't really tell you. I think we're gonna do like some skimboarding.
Oh yeah.
I believe. I don't know. Hard saying, not knowing though.
Like,
Hard saying, not knowing.
You're the one leading this.
I know. I'm joking around, bro. Oh!
We're going to the spot. Jude's gonna kill me. But this is just how we learn.
Nice. She just told us that a snake grabbed Lauren's leg last time.
A snake?
In this exact same spot.
yes, bro. Yes.
Oh my god. I don't want to get bit by a snake, bro. Oh my gosh. Oh, I look shocked.
He's amazing.
Give us some licks. Yeah, bro. Nose diving. Don't even think about it. Don't even think about it, man. Can you be mine if you love me hardcore? We fucking love you, Aiden. We love your patience. We love your smile, your hair, and your beautiful eyes. We wish you were here right now, bruh. But you over here!
I swallowed like 3 cups of water. I died
Like a mile away!
This is so much harder than it looks, man.
Levi, are you making it edited like this?
All of this, yeah.
Fuck it as hard as you can.
Yeah. I'm gonna watch you first. That's crazy! Oh, my leg hit a rock though. Oh. Ow. My leg hit that rock hard.
Nice.
2, 3.
Happy birthday, Dougie. Guilt and shame. Guilt and shame.